We begin this evening with a TVJ News exclusive.
The man at the center of the viral video breaking the lock at the gate to the Gorge has broken his silence.
Anthony Lugg has the details in this primetime news follow-up.
I'm sincerely sorry, man. And well, if I couldn't take it, but I don't really take it, but me tell you the truth.
The man responsible for removing the lock on the gate to the Gorge during an exclusive interview with our news center on Thursday. His apology comes 24 hours after Prime Minister Andrew Holness told Parliament that the police have been instructed to fully investigate the matter. The bus driver said he was on his way home with his 4-month-old child who was ill.
I tell you the truth. Really feel hurted and I feel sorry about the lock you come out. But I believe I think about the youth. You can't run out in a rain with it. I try to even then the vehicle where I brought the bread for me. You can't let it behind.
The man says he waited for close to an hour and made several attempts to get someone to open the gate. And when all else failed, he broke the lock.
And it's just because of my 6 kids where I really take it out of proportion. It's not any ignorance or anything.
His decision to destroy state property has led to widespread condemnation. It's still not clear what charges he'll be slapped with, but he's concerned.
I'm a working man. I don't really want anything block my career. You get me? So that's my plan, to go in and get things straightened out.
The driver has not been back to work since Monday. We asked why.
I can't work, man, because it's like a mockery. It's like a mockery, the media and what being saying. You know, we should you have people who don't understand, you know.
And with the police given strict instruction to investigate the matter, it's left to see what action, if any, will be taken. But undoubtedly, everyone will be watching.
The gate can hurt there, but what? You have to have somebody stationable to work whenever the gate are closed. You can't lock the gate and then just walk away and say at the end of the game that, because this is a big community.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.